Most people believe that everyday social interactions are simple. People talk, people respond, people share ideas, and conversations move naturally from one topic to another. But when you begin to observe human behavior more carefully, something interesting appears. Many social interactions are not just conversations, they are silent negotiations. Beneath the surface of everyday communication, people are constantly reacting to something invisible. Status. Who has it? Who wants it? And who is trying to protect it? This invisible structure influences how people behave in ways that most individuals never consciously notice. For example, when someone enters a room, people often begin to adjust their behavior immediately. Some become quieter, some speak more confidently, some try to gain attention, and others begin observing silently. None of this is usually discussed openly, yet the behavior appears again and again. This is because human beings are extremely sensitive to social hierarchy, even when no one mentions it directly. In groups, people often compete subtly for influence, not always through obvious confrontation, but through smaller signals. Who interrupts others during conversation? Who receives the most attention? Who controls the direction of discussion? Who people look at when they want approval? These signals create a silent structure inside every social group. Most people react to this structure instinctively. They feel the tension, they sense the competition, but they rarely analyze what is actually happening. However, highly observant minds often begin to notice these patterns very clearly. They start seeing that many conversations are not only about exchanging information, they are also about positioning. Positioning within the group, positioning within the hierarchy, positioning within the invisible social game that everyone is playing. Once you begin to recognize these patterns, social interactions start to look very different. You begin to notice how people subtly try to increase their influence. Through humor, through confidence, through storytelling, through disagreement. Others may try to maintain their position by agreeing with dominant voices, or by avoiding conflict completely. Some individuals attempt to draw attention toward themselves, while others carefully observe everything before speaking. None of this behavior is random. It follows recognizable psychological patterns.